Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Deleting your Quora account is a permanent step, and for many users in 2025, it's about reclaiming their digital space. People often choose to delete for enhanced privacy, ensuring their past contributions are no longer tied to them, or simply to reduce digital distraction. It's a significant decision. Truly understanding the implications before you proceed is crucial. Remember, this action is irreversible once fully processed, so consider your decision very carefully before taking the plunge. Before you even begin the process, it's vital to understand the critical difference between deactivating and deleting your Quora account. Deactivation offers a temporary break, letting you step away and easily reactivate your profile later if you change your mind. However, deletion is the final act. It's permanent and irreversible, meaning all your associated data and contributions will eventually be removed from the platform. Make sure you choose the right option for your needs. To begin deleting your account, first log into Quora using your regular credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your user settings, which are typically found by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the Settings dashboard, carefully look for a section labeled Privacy or Account Options. This is where you'll find the specific controls related to your account status. Once inside the Privacy or Account Options section, carefully locate the Delete Account link. Clicking this option will prompt you to confirm your decision, often requiring you to re-enter your password for security. Quora will present a final warning, reminding you that this action is permanent and your content will be removed. Take a moment to read this message before you click the final confirmation button. After you confirm the deletion, your Quora account enters a 14-day grace period. During this time, your profile and all associated content will be hidden from public view, essentially making it invisible. However, it's crucial to understand that if you log back into your account at any point within these 14 days, the deletion process will be automatically canceled and your account will be fully reactivated. If you truly wish to delete it, simply stay logged out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.